Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore into the process of integrating Albato and PDF.co, two powerful tools that offer unique solutions for businesses. Integrating Albato and PDF.co can bring significant benefits to enhance their software development processes while also improving document management. This demonstration will illustrate how to utilize PDF.co's PDF Edit Add API. With this integration, Albato can automatically generate test reports in PDF format. This integrated approach ensures that all relevant testing information is captured and documented efficiently. To access the comprehensive tutorial, you can find the link provided in the description box below. Feel free to explore PDF.co for further information. We'll employ this example PDF document and utilize the PDF.co PDF Edit Add API to insert text at a specific location within the PDF document. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin, access your Albato account and navigate to the Automations menu. From there, click on the New button to initiate the creation of a new automation builder. To configure the trigger for this demo, we will use the Albato test and test event. However, it's important to note that the choice of trigger depends on your specific preferences and requirements. Feel free to select a different trigger that aligns better with your needs. Under the Add an Action step, locate and choose the HTTP request/outgoing webhook app. This application enables us to send data from one application to another using the HTTP protocol, serving as a communication mechanism between different systems or services. Next, select the Send Request option to initiate the process of sending an HTTP request from one system to another. This action allows us to establish communication and facilitate data exchange between the systems involved. Then, click the Add a Connection button. To establish a connection with the HTTP request/outgoing webhook, follow these steps. In the title field, provide a name for your connection that describes its purpose or functionality. In the URL field, enter this URL that leads to an API endpoint for interacting with the PDF.co platform's PDF Edit Add functionality. In the Content Type field, choose JSON from the available options. Then, click the Add an Action button. Let's configure the HTTP request/outgoing webhook with the following steps. In the Request Method field, choose Post. In the Request Parameters field, type the URL parameter, and input the source file URL. Next, specify the annotation string parameter along with the X and Y coordinates where you want to add the text. You can easily obtain the coordinates using the PDF.co PDF Edit Add Helper tool. Additionally, include the list of pages, font size, font name, and font color for the annotations. Refer to the PDF.co API docs for the proper format for adding annotations. In the Request Headers field, specify the XAPI key header along with your PDF.co API key value. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Then, add the accept header with the value application/JSON. Let's proceed with testing the automation builder. After the successful testing, initiate the automation. And click on the automation log to access the outcome. Within the automation log, select the entry labeled webhook has been sent. And proceed to copy the response URL. This URL can then be used to access and view the output of the process. Here's the PDF document in which we successfully added text using PDF.co PDF Edit Add API. Discover a diverse collection of tutorials waiting for you on our PDF.co website. And don't miss out on our engaging YouTube channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you're always in the loop with our newest videos. Thank you for watching.